We'll guide you through how to use AI extensions in VS Code to enhance your coding experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open VS Code on your desktop. Once it's up, head over to the Extensions Marketplace, which you can find in the sidebar on the left. It looks like a square icon with 4 squares inside. In the search bar at the top, type in the name of the AI extension you want to use. Popular choices include GitHub Copilot and Tab9, but there are many others to explore. Click on the extension you want, and then hit the Install button. After it's installed, you might need to restart VS Code to activate the extension. Once the extension is ready, you can start using it by opening a file or creating a new one. These AI extensions can help you by suggesting code snippets, completing lines based on context, and even generating entire functions or classes for you. To use these features, just start typing, and you'll see suggestions pop up, which you can accept by hitting Enter or Tab. Some extensions might require additional setup, like logging into your GitHub account for Copilot, so keep an eye out for any prompts. You can manage and configure the settings of your extensions by clicking on the gear icon next to the extension in the marketplace. This is a great way to customize how the AI assists you, ensuring it fits your coding style. Don't forget to explore different extensions to find the ones that best suit your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.